Lil bro just bought his first car and those headlights are cooked, so let's fix that. Starting off by masking around the headlight, I'm gonna use McGuire's headlight restoration kit, but before that I'm gonna wet sand 1000 grit, doing swirls first and then side to side. Now I'll repeat the same process with 2000 grit. The kit is two-step, starting with a polish and applying it to the headlight. Wipe that off, and now we need to seal it with a clear coat. I'm gonna do 2 medium coats, so this is the first application. Immediately wiping off any overspray. And 5 minutes later, we hit him with the second coat. Just look at that night and day difference. I followed the same steps for the other side, and here's the before and after.